Hello everyone, welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVEM School Jagapatnagaram, and this is your Valli dealing with the subject English. So children, in this video we are going to know somewhat deep about the lesson Dear Dilip. So in the previous video we learned that Nikhil wrote a letter to Dilip and explained about olive ridley turtles. So now we are going with the section 2 of the lesson. Yes, actually, what is an olive ridley turtle? Olive ridleys live deep in the ocean many kilometers from where they are born. Olive ridley turtles live on deep at the last of the ocean. Okay, they return to their birthplace after They'll return to their birthplace after 10 or 15 years to lay eggs. Obviously, we have a birthplace, right? Grandmother's home. So, our mother's place is there, right? Just like that, these turtles also come to their birthplace after 10 or 15 years to lay eggs. And they travel hundreds of kilometers from the oceans, and scientists are not sure how they find their way home, and they didn't know how the turtle can come to their home place by traveling. Scientists also have a question mark regarding this question. Yes, next one is, how do the olive ridley turtles nest? How they lay eggs? How they lay eggs? Yes, each year at nesting time, hundreds of olive ridley turtles collect near the beaches where they were born. Every year, so more number of hundreds of olive ridley turtles collect near the beaches, and these females come ashore in large groups to dig holes in the sand in which they lay as many as 100 eggs. Each turtle can lay around more than 100 eggs on the holes of the sand. The group nesting, that means placing one group around 100 eggs, is known as aribada. Then they return to the sea. After nesting eggs, they return to the sea. After few weeks, tiny newborns hatch out of the eggs and disappear into the sea. After few weeks, the eggs will come as small turtles, and they go back to the sea. Look at the picture. Here is a small turtle. Yes, a tiny size. Next question. Where and when we can see the olive ridley turtle's nest? Where we can see the nest? There are only 3 places in the world today where we can still see large aribadas. Only 3 places in the world. What are those? Odisha, Mexico, and Costa Rica. These are the 3 places which we can find these aribadas. In India, smaller groups of turtles nest in many places on the eastern coast and some places on the western coast. And in India also we have only few places which they nest. Next, in India, nesting takes place between December and March, and this process will start at December and ends on March. The eggs takes about 48 days to develop. The eggs will become as baby in the time period, the span of 48 days. Hatching usually takes place after sunset. After sunset, that means at the evening time, after 6 o'clock only, the eggs will become babies. Yes, next. How would it matter if sea turtles disappear from Earth? What happens if there is no turtles on Earth? Sea turtles are an important part of the food chains both in the sea and on the land. These are the very important sea food chains. Why? Because if we doesn't have these turtles, we obviously have some type of grass. The grass may increase on the sea and the land. Next, scientists are only just starting to understand what will happen if these turtles disappear. For example, some turtles feed on sea grasses. If these turtles were not there, the grasses would become overgrown and diseased. On ocean areas, we have some special type of grasses in ocean. In ocean, in between, in the deep of the ocean, we may have many types of dangerous grasses. These turtles will eat those grasses. If there is no turtles, no one is there to eat the grasses, then the ocean water become poisonous and diseased. Then other species of fish that survive sea grasses would become extinct. And also, due to this poisonous, the marine animals like fishes, crabs, these all will become die and extinct. Next, why are they endangered? Dogs and crows eat the eggs. The eggs of turtles will eat by dogs and crows. People can trample on the nets. People take the eggs on nets. Poachers, that means egg collectors, will collect and sell turtle eggs. Newborn turtles gets confused by city lights and head away from the sea. Obviously, we have many areas like Vizag, people full of crowd areas, right? While those heavy lights and traffic sounds, these turtle babies will become confused and they leads to death. Some get crushed by cars, and some of the turtles will get crushed by cars. In the sea, overfishing, fishing nets, and garbage are the great threats. Overfishing. While fishing, they use some nets. These nets will lead to the death of the turtles and dust. These are the great threats. That means some dangers of the turtles. Next. What can I do? Not me. All the people, yourself, entire people from the world must do some precautions, some necessary activities to save our earth and our environment and our culture and our animals and everyone. Don't throw rubbish into the ocean. Don't throw some waste, garbage into the ocean. Many turtles die each other from eating plastic bags that they mistake for their favorite food, jellyfish. So and jellyfish is the favorite food of the turtles. These plastic covers will look like jellyfish. While getting confusion, these turtles will eat the plastic food and that one leads to the cause of the death of turtles. Next, don't buy turtle products or keep turtles as pets. Don't buy turtle products. Don't buy any eggs of the turtle and don't buy any turtles and don't be turtle as a pet. Support organizations that work to save the turtles. Please support the organizing volunteers and visit the website. The website is given here to know more ways to help. Yes, this is what we learned. We have to know about the turtles, olive ridley turtles. Okay children, this is the end of the session. Thank you everyone.